day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. They see me rolling, hey, trying to get me wide and dirty. When I'm here, I'm sing about money, you know. Hustler. White wine. Which wine do I use? That was my brain right now. I'm rich. Here with the airport. Alright, so jerk seasoning. Alright. So okay, man. Good to go.
Ready him up over there. Empress, all gone. Did one in action.
Oh, cuz, you never know me that say it to them, general. Why pray?
You know how some go to work, cuz. Just you want to see in action, is it? Man. Chef Garden.
No say a word, cuz. I'm glad the forward still. And she said me did serious.
See it, man. That's good look still, cuz. Let's go on the right thing, isn't it? So, yes, sir. I'm not cooking.
Cuz, you know, say me no start that part there yet still. Cause it's the 50 grand they shell out, you know. You see it, I'm want some more things. So I eat me a work on, you see it?
Oh. Yo, what's your name?
All them of course. Not very similar to
Alright.
wicked cuz. Boy, you know man. Never tell a lie. Yeah, connect.
So you may say, so you never come link with. You don't know, say, that I could have used me help out with him.
No, say cuz on the whole thing me already in his it and me never do want pressure it. Brother, when man put you through whole heap in a brother. And I still feel a way about it.
Kareem, you're my cousin, you know. You're my blood. I mean, I always look out for you, you see me? Don't play them games there again, you hear me I tell you? I could have lost my tree in a dog.
But that's true cuz. But I still feel a way about it.
You vex about it still, but past are the past still, you see? That's what your friend said.
And about that too. Don't think so me gonna make Savage just run my head so cuz. Me just that contemplate what to do with my life. And when me get the idea so me I go execute it in the nick of time. God sent the devil to do some good thing. And I was right there at the right time to receive it.
Receive. Fam, when I receive things from man, you hear that? Watch your mouth, but for
Yo, cuz. You know easy, you know. You know what I mean, dog. Yo.
no, you know. I don't know what you mean, you know. But I understand what you say still, you see?
Oh, bad. Cause a three reasons why I do this, you know. For myself. Secondly, make society see safe. I get a youth like me can change over my life and make sense in a society. And you see third, make you and mums proud. Because the amount of things you wanna do for me, I can't make all of that go down the drain. So I have to go hard.
I'm to tell you the truth still, you know. You see when I see an idea, I'm proud of you, dog. Yeah, man, you climb the ladder, cause enough youth in a society, you know, and make something of themselves. and I climb the ladder side when I work. Same place when enough of them bigger heads there work. You see me? And all of that, I true hard work. You see me?